Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Mr. Cameraman is out there pumping some diesel, and we are going to try a new snack today. Right here we've got a bunch of different flavors of popcorners. I am very excited to try these. They are like a potato chip mixed with popcorn. Now these chips are pretty healthy, only 140 calories per serving for the white cheddar. The kettle corn is only 130 calories, and the sea salt is only 120. Now these aren't fried, these are baked. Let's see if it says anything on the back. Yes, so just corn that's baked and mixed with some seasonings, I'm sure. Yellow corn, sunflower oil, whey, and some other stuff. They do contain milk. Let's pop them open and try them. Well, the one I'm most excited about is the kettle corn flavor, so we're gonna try that first. Smells really good. Ooh, they look kind of funky. You gotta taste one of those. Those are good. Kettle corn. Only 130 calories per serving. Kettle corn's pretty good. Now let's try the white cheddar ones. Zena, say hello. They look pretty similar. Those are kind of interesting tasting. They taste kind of like a bag of bones white cheddar Cheetos. That's what it reminds me of.
I like them a lot.
They're good?
What it tastes like to me is that cheesy popcorn. You know, when you get that cheesy popcorn in the big tins, that's what it tastes like.
Now the white cheddar only has 10 more calories per serving than the kettle corn. And now we're going to try the sea salt, and that has 10 less calories than the kettle corn. Oh yeah, I like this one. Really good. All three flavors are good. I'd say I like the kettle corn, then the white cheddar, then the sea salt. What do you think?
White cheddar's the best. Tastes like that cheesy popcorn stuff that you get at Christmas time. And the sea salt, the kettle corn's my least favorite.
And these are gluten-free, and only 3 ingredients on the sea salt ones. So the ingredients are just yellow corn, sunflower oil, and sea salt. Pretty cool. Well, if you like this video, definitely check out these popcorners. They are really delicious. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you get notified the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.